In this lesson, I want to show you how to add a simple image gallery. You know, there are times when you want to showcase your image in a really clean and professional way on your website, and this has a really great way to do that. So let's go over here and click on add a new element here. So go over to where it says simple gallery, click on that. Once you do that, you're going to get the option to choose where you've stored your photos. So if you're a photographer and you want to showcase your work, this is a really cool feature that you can utilize here. So you can pretty much, this are images that I've used before, so I'm just going to select all of these here. You can add as many as you want, and you click on this insert. So once you do that, you get this pop-up. And right off the back, you know, you start to notice that your images are like this, already clean. So you can scroll down here. You can actually, if you want to change an image, you can click to edit, and you can change that particular image to replace it. Or you can also drag and drop and move images around. So if you want to reorganize it, you can do that as well. If you want to delete it, you click on this little trash can here. It's going to delete it. So let's scroll down. So this is where you get to choose your view. Number of columns. You want to make this 3. It's going to change to 3 columns. You want to make this 4, 5, or 6. So you can get to choose the number of columns that you want this to be. And you can choose the gutter. That means that it's going to remove the space between each item. So I'm going to check that off. So now you have something like that. And you can choose the height. Now you have the height. If you want another column, you can change that to 4. And it gives it that look. And you can go over to the light box here. So with this light box, we went over this before. So I'm going to click on this now. You notice how that image just pops up, and you have this arrow. You can click to the next one, click just to the next one, the next one, and the next one. So you click here and just put your mouse back here to edit. So you can pretty much choose how you want things to be. Like with the light box here, you can choose the background color or the overlay. So let's click on this here. Let's say when someone clicks on the images, you want the background to be just all black, for example. So I'm going to put this at black and take the opacity all the way to 1. So now when I click on this here, you notice that the background, entire background, is just black. If I want to change that, I can choose, let's say, a blue color. So the next time you click on that is changed to blue. And the next image and the next one. So this is another cool feature that, and it has this, in order for someone to exit off, they can just click on this little X here and it's going to disable that. And you can pretty much go ahead and just choose whatever color that you want for this. And once again, that's why it's called Simple Gallery. It's a really cool way for you to showcase your photos in a professional manner.